Hey, what's up, friends? This is your girl Tracy with Treseysworld, and I'm so happy to talk to you today. But no, listen, today's Friday. It is Friday all day. And you know what? We don't feel like cooking. We don't feel like cooking. We want to order out. But I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today. We're going to take some leftovers and we're going to make a meal. We're going to remix that meal like I do. Like you do. We gonna do it right after this. Welcome back, guys. Listen, I know y'all always wondered what can you do with leftover mac and cheese, but let's be honest, we don't normally have leftover mac and cheese because mac and cheese is just bomb by itself. And so we don't normally have it left over, but if you're solo like me and you made a little bit too much, you're going to have some left over. So guess what we're going to do with it? Guess what we're going to do with it? We're going to make some mac and cheese quesadillas. Don't knock it till you tried it. It's going to be so good until you're just going to be wanting to make it all the time. But we're going to make it right now. Just to let you guys know, with these quesadillas, you can add bacon. I'm not a bacon eater, but if you like bacon, add some bacon up in there. But what I'm going to do is I am going to make my quesadillas. And we have the red onions. Y'all know we used the red onions yesterday. So I'm going to get to chopping, make me a little mango salsa. I told you we don't waste nothing around here. Everything can get it. Yeah, all of it. All of it. We're using all of it. All right, so that's what we're about to do. So let's just get into it. All right, y'all. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to get out my taco shells. Well, I have them right here, the little shells, little flour shells. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put some butter in my skillet so it can be ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and spread the mac and cheese onto the shells and then put them in the skillet. We about to make it do what it do. All right, y'all, so that's our butter melted, pretty much. Here's our tortilla shells, okay? We're going to fill it to just enough. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw one of my Monterey Jack jalapeno on top of this, okay? I'm going to throw it on top of this because I want it to seal. You can put bacon in here if you want to. We ain't doing that today, but you can. I'm just going to put that on top. And that's just gonna help seal it. Okay, we're gonna seal it and we're about to fold it over like so. What we're gonna use is mac and cheese. And then you're gonna give it a nice mash. Flip it and give it a nice mash. Alright, y'all, there we have our mac and cheese quesadillas. We got some mango salsa that I had put on the side. Probably dip it in a little salsa, pico. And we ready to eat, y'all. We ready to eat. That's it. Y'all see? All right, let's do it. Yes, this was right. This is right. baby. It's right. It's right. I'm about to eat them. Don't judge me. All right, y'all. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. God got me. God got you. All right. Talk to y'all later. Get back into this.